Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel. This is Lian from Resin Creations and I hope you are all doing well. Before I jump in this video, I just want to say a big thank you to all of you who gave me nice comments on my previous video. I appreciate it a lot. And yes, I gonna stick to one video a week for now until I feel better and yeah. So let's get to this video then. Today I will create coasters. It's gonna be a listing for example Etsy, and they gonna be personalized coasters, so people who wanna buy them can choose their name and some other details. So I thought not to make all of them the same, but basically go with white and black and gold and silver, so that will make 4 different options to choose from as a base, and then I'll have 4 different font options for the letters, and you can put your name on the coaster and you can give to somebody, and it will be really good present and a gift, I think. Basically, I very rarely, almost never make 2 the same coaster designs, because as you know, resin is quite unpredictable and sometimes it's quite hard to duplicate that once you have made. And also, yeah, I just like to make things how I feel in the moment, and what comes out, and kind of like artist that creates things and then puts for sale. That's more like me. But now, since I have a Cricut maker machine, I have thought why I couldn't make something that would be realistic to recreate in future, and if people wanna buy personalized coasters, why not? I can make them if I really want. So yeah, this is the first kind of template. And yes, I premixed all my colors and now it's time to pour. So I'm aiming about 2/3 white and 1/3 of transparent with gold or silver. And there will be white and gold, white and silver, black and gold, black and silver. So it's really quite straightforward. I just go slowly so I can feel which color needs to be added a bit more. And yeah. So now I go with white and silver. And so far I enjoy what I'm doing, and yeah. So now I'm going with black and silver. And black and gold. So if you are enjoying this video so far, I would appreciate if you click a like, or if you like videos about resin, consider to subscribe. Thank you very much. So it was Easter the previous Sunday, and I hope you all had a good Easter with sunshine weather and with lots of eggs. I definitely enjoyed this Easter because we had a lovely weather and we went out on a farm where we saw some animals, and after we had lunch, and it was just nice to be out and about. So here I am, just adjusting my gold and silver how I like, and then popping the bubbles and let to cure. And my tripod is misbehaving, and so I had to keep it in place. And yes, I had some overleft resin, so I just poured in the first mold that I could find and made another coaster. Actually, I think I never used black and white in my coaster. I think these colors are quite hard to get right, especially the white, because white is, I think, the heaviest pigment, so always need to be careful with the white one. And after, I let them to cure, and meanwhile they cured, I print out just random girls' names with my Cricut. I didn't show you this time because it's just basically the same. And now I'm gonna transfer them on my coasters. As always, little bit of struggle. Make sure press down well so the transfer tape takes the letters good. And after that's been done, I mixed some resin to pour over and fill the molds up. And here I had a little accident. I poured my hardener, and after I was pouring my part A, the scale switched off. I don't know if the battery was faulty or how it happened, some kind of glitch on my scales. But yeah, I couldn't really measure accurately the part A, and I still went and poured it in my coasters. So really at this point I didn't know what to think, what to expect, but as my hardener was more than part A, I thought maybe it's gonna cure, and fingers crossed, yeah. It was the first time that something like that happened to me. And here is the next day, and the good news is that they cured. But I had on top like this kind of film effect. I don't know if it's because of incorrect measurements or something, but every coaster had this kind of film on top. But anyway, it's unmolding time, and yeah, I am liking what I made and look good. Just I will need to sand down this top layer and apply extra layer with correctly mixed resin. But yeah, overall I'm happy with the result, and soon after, when they're gonna be ready, I'll add them to my Etsy shop, and yeah, people can purchase them. And here is the fifth one, and it looks quite alright. As I was running a little bit behind schedule, I had no time actually to top coat them, but I did paint the edges, and soon after I will top coat them. But here are the results. And yeah, I like them a lot. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!